Hello everyone. In today's video, let's learn a trick to remember the color coding for endodontic files. If we look at this image of endodontic files, except for these three files, there is certain color coding for the set of files which is repeated after the set of 6 files. What is the color coding? It is white, yellow, red, blue, green, black. And once we finish the set of 6 files, the color coding repeats. That is white, yellow, red, blue, green, black. Again, white, yellow, red, blue, green, black. And there are 3 files which are smaller than 15 number with the increment of 2 sizes in the successive files. These are number 6 file, 8 file, and 10 file. And they have the color coding of pink, gray, purple. They are not repeated. They are just 3 files which are pink, gray, purple of number 6, 8, and 10 respectively. But after that, the color coding repeats after the set of 6 files. See, to remember the color coding, you just need to remember this simple line. People go to play while you read before going to bed. So this is pink, gray, purple. So these are first 3 files of number 6, 8, and 10. And then the color coding which repeats after every 6 files. This is white, yellow, red, blue, green, black. So you just need to remember this and it will be easier for you to remember the color coding of endodontic files. One thing more you need to remember regarding the endodontic files, that from number 15 till number 60, there is an increment of 5 numbers. That is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. But after 60 number file, there is an increment of 10 numbers. There won't be any 65 number file. There will be 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Clear? So I hope these two things, that is color coding and sizes of the endodontic files, is clear to you. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more such videos. Take care and goodbye.